welcome to another daily drive, and today we're gonna go back to the Cebu City once again. And before na magsugod sa itong video, I wanna have a shout out to Dan LG who's been supporting this vlog. So, hi Dan, stay safe there sa inyo. And this is today's drive. Watch. Look at that, that's a casualty. There used to be an ice giant there, and I guess there's no ice giants in this commercial complex. So think that's what I said. See that? No more.
And no one will love me like you do. I'm not afraid of falling, but I'm afraid of losing you. 'Cause with you it's not the same. And we fly through the air and it feels so right, over the horizon and into the night. Lost in the moment, I thought you knew that nobody loved you like I do. And when the morning comes, you are here with me, holding you and breathe simultaneously. I will always remember those days with you, and no one will love me like you do. And no one will love me like you do.
Salamat, ibalik na.
You're gonna be a tough act to follow, and you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to follow. To follow. All the people wanna go with desire, like the streaming with the fish in the ocean. Stay away, never come under fire. They will never ever show an emotion. I never dreamed of getting in the action. Life moves with all the surprises. I never dealt with chemical reaction. It comes down to this day. You're gonna be a tough act to follow, and you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to follow. To follow. All the people wanna get in the circus, trying hard to keeping up with the Joneses. Everything is kind of trouble and purpose, and you're lying in a bed of roses. I never dreamed of getting in the action. Life moves with all the surprises. I never dealt with chemical reaction. It comes down to this day. You're gonna be a tough act to follow, and you better believe it. Just take a bite and see that it's gonna be too much to swallow. You better believe it. Yeah, I got one more trick, but you're gonna be a tough act to follow. To follow. You're gonna be a tough act to follow. To follow. Oh, I feel I like the way I got up from the start. I was under pressure. I feel I got away. It comes down to this. Yeah, you
So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this trip today. And it was really just a short trip to the city. Although we're able to also buy vegetables in Capitol, they're still open, but you have to wear masks and bring your passes. But yeah, all in all, traffic's still light in Cebu, although there are more vehicles now compared to last month. And Thank you so much for the support and continue watching our videos, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.